In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Generative AI. Before we dive in, a quick note on what this is and why it's helpful. Grammarly's Generative AI can create and refine text for you on the fly, everything from short stories to emails to brainstorming ideas, right inside your browser. It's designed to speed up your writing while keeping your tone and clarity on point. To get started, make sure you already have the Grammarly web extension installed in your browser. If you can see the little G icon near your browser's address bar, you're good to go. That icon is your gateway to the AI features we're about to use. Now, click the G icon in your browser's extensions area. This opens Grammarly's panel so you can access its tools without leaving the page you're on. Take a second to let it load. You'll see options that go beyond spelling and grammar, including the generative features we want. Next, look for the option that says Use Superhuman Go and click it. This is the entry point to Grammarly's generative capabilities. Think of it as a focused space where you can tell the AI exactly what you want it to produce and how you want it to sound. Then, click Go. You'll see a prompt box where you can type what you want to generate. This is where you give clear instructions. For example, you could type, "Write a short fairy tale for kids." If you want a more specific result, add details like the age range, the tone, the setting, or the length. For instance, write a 150-word fairy tale for kids aged 6 to 8 about a shy dragon who learns to share. The clearer your prompt, the closer the output will be to what you have in mind. Once the text appears, read it through and see if it matches your goal. If it's a fairy tale for kids, check that the language is simple, the story is age-appropriate, and the message is positive. If you want to adjust the style, you can rewrite your prompt with more direction. Ask for a more playful tone, a shorter paragraph, or a different ending. Keep your instructions concise and specific to guide the AI toward your preferred outcome. A quick tip on privacy: avoid entering sensitive or personal information in your prompts. Stick to general details and keep your requests focused on the content you want to create. That's all you need to start using Grammarly Generative AI from the extension. Click the G, choose Use Superhuman Go, click Go, and tell it exactly what to write. Try a few variations, be clear with your requests, and enjoy faster, cleaner writing.